Hello, I'm Catherine Kraft, Senior Curator at the Nasher Sculpture Center. Samara Golden titled her exhibition for the Nasher, "If Earth is the Brain, then where is the Body?" It's an impossible question in a way, like a thought that might come to you just as you're falling asleep or waking up. She made the work on site, and none of us, including her, knew exactly what it would look like when it was completed. In the past, her installations have been based in architecture. They seem to be part of a building or contain levels, like different floors of a structure. But the work in the Nasher instead suggests a body of water, filled with all manner of objects, human figures, sea life, discarded furniture, plants and materials that hint at industrial waste or pollution. A layer of plastic waves, stirred by fans and washed by lights, creates unexpected effects. Along the outer reaches, it appears to be lightly raining. In the center, a blue-green light suggests unknown depths. Here and there, reflections suggest a flickering flame, and you can't tell where it's coming from. The scenario is disturbing in parts, but also beautiful in others. Reflective materials mean that the work makes different impressions depending upon where you're standing when you look at it. I find that it's easy to lose myself when I'm looking, like gazing out at the ocean or into a fireplace. Water is such a powerful elemental force in all our lives that every visitor will probably have their own personal responses to the work. The possible associations are almost limitless. A beach paradise, a riptide that can pull you down, a tidal pool, quiet and still.